I structure myself in a day. I start my day with the calendar. So when I wake up, I see my calendar for the whole day. My calendars are minute to minute booked. If somebody has to meet me, they have to book my calendar.
What are your three priorities when you get to the work in the morning? The top three one.
So see, I have, I'm not quad core mind in my set. I have got a multi-core mind in my brain. So when I start, I plan it to monitor every day. I plan every day in a way that, today which application part I would be monitoring, calling the people, taking the download. I structure myself in a day. I start my day with the calendar. So when I wake up, I see my calendar for the whole day. My calendars are minute to minute booked. If somebody has to meet me, they have to book my calendar. If they are not used to of that booking my calendar, I book myself my calendar on my iPhone, so that my minute to minute is totally booked and packed. I don't appreciate people not joining the meetings. If they are late, the meeting is over. I give the slot to somebody else. So that is how your productivity increases, and you become disciplined. And when you are disciplined, your people around start becoming disciplined, and that is one of the reason your productivity increases and you feel engaged all the time. If you not plan that way, you will be sitting idly. The way people keep on sitting idly all the day, they are not aware and they are always into the firefighting mode. If boss says that okay, you do this, then they are into that. I'm a person like, if my boss call, I have got a guts to say no to the boss. That boss, you need to in advance tell me I have got a already appointment and I'm into middle of this, so it will take time to finish this thing, and then I will join you. So people also become used to of that practice. That is how they become used to that. This guy will be available, so they need to fix the appointment and make sure that this much time would be required. So that is how the organization productivity increases, the people's productivity increases, your productivity increases, and you are not lost all the time. So that is the
Yes.
one thing I start the day with myself. I have another very peculiar practice since beginning of my career is I keep one notebook with me and one page for a day. I
Okay.
jot down every activity by pen or pencil on a paper every day while
In the
coming
morning.
into in the morning. My calendars are 100% booked, and I jot down by pencil, and that is a forceful activity I do myself, so that I feel frustrated that why I am noting it down today these many tasks. So what I do, I with the calendar or otherwise the responsibility conferred to me, I jot down every day on a paper with the date, and then I keep on cutting the activities which I perform, and next day all left out work I repeat it the new page. So that frustrates you, that forces you, that provokes you, that this thing getting repeated every day, so your mind gets get attentive to that particular activity and you finish it off. So nothing gets lost, first thing. Second, you are basically documenting your productivity on every day. After a year, you call me that in that 2013, what were you doing in the Quest Diagnostics? I'll pull up one of my diary of that 2013, and every day's activity that this time to this time I had this conference call, this time this I did this firefighting, this time this I did this. So you can take that thing out. That is a rudimentary way of doing the things, but
Yes.
I like that thing. You do it digitally or you do it pen and paper, but that is the one thing make myself push and keep on doing the things.